2004 Freestar. Ford Freestar's strongest suit is safety. Freestar earned 5 stars in the government's front impact crash testing and was named Best Pick by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety following rigorous crash testing for the insurance industry, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: airbags, automatic transmission, power steering, cruise control, FWD, passenger airbag, compass, power door locks, power windows, trip computer, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, rear wiper, privacy glass, power heated outside mirrors. Come see the car for yourself.